We just received our Nivona Romantica coffee machine. This is what it looks like. We've filled it with water, about halfway. This part here is where the coffee beans go. Put some beans in there. It works with beans and ground coffee. The ground coffee goes in there and it comes with this nice scoop so that you can correctly proportion it. So how does it work? There's a tray down here, a spill tray. The button to turn the machine on is over here. You wait for it. So if you want to make a latte, there are basically two buttons. You have the steaming button here, which can make foamed milk with this thing. It can also just produce hot water like for tea. And then you have the coffee button here. What's cool about this is you can make three proportions of coffee, a very tiny amount, which is like really this amount, this medium amount, which is about this much, about a small coffee cup size, and this, which is quite a lot. It's like an Americano, like with a lot of water in it. This is the steaming button, which you'll use to either produce hot water or to produce milk. I'm gonna show you how to make a latte. So like here you can put this into the milk carton directly, or you can put it into, I guess, a cup of milk. So once the machine is turned on, this symbol appears, and in order to get it to suck up the milk here, you have to push this. It does its warming up process. Right now it's just warming up. A little bit of extra water comes out there in the spill tray. It's ready to make coffee now. That's what that symbol means. Now here you have three levels of strength. You can push 3 to make it super strong. 1 is kind of weak, and 2 is like medium roast. So I'm gonna push this button again. So basically, as you understand, you had to push this button 2 times in order to get it to produce the milk. Wait for it to warm up, and then this button will appear here. Okay, this means it's ready to go. You turn it on, and you can see it starts producing the milk foam. It's pretty quiet. I like it. It just keeps working. Okay, that's enough. Now let's show you how the coffee would work. Now, normally, if I'm done with the milk foam, what I would do is I would put this in water and put a cup here, and then I would just, in order to clean out this tube, I would just suck up the water like that and do it like that. Now you push the coffee button. This can be regulated lower or higher. And there goes your coffee. So right now it's on the medium amount of water used and medium roast strength. So it shows the progress as it's going. When it gets all the way to here, I guess to 5 bars, that means it's done. Make sure you use the right sized cup, obviously. I really like how this regulates up and down so that I can use a taller glass or a smaller cup. It's really nice.